Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? So welcome to another brand video, my friends. Today I have a very good news for all of you because, my brother, it's priority from all coin. Hedera Hashgraph is priority from all coin, my friend, because you can see here all coins were very badly fell down. The price is decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute. But Hedera Hashgraph get a 3.85% profit in last 24 hours. So my friend, if just and only they will get, my friends, 5% profit. So I will 100% give you guarantee to they will give you, my friends, $1 at the end of month. Can this is possible, my friends? To they will hit now $1 my friend. 100% this is possible, but kindly that's all depends on you, my friend. Please, holders, don't do any mistake to starting selling, my friend, in those days. And absolutely, if a holders are starting increasing, my friends, sorry, if a holder are starting investing, they are starting holding, so definitely they will give you a profit. But if a holder are starting selling, so they cannot give you a profit and they will lost now. Kindly, holders, don't do any mistake, please. If you want to get a profit in a very short time, now do this what I tell you, otherwise you will lost. My friends, in previous days, absolutely a lot of coins will take a very huge profit, but definitely, my friend, some coins will very badly falls down. But my friend, Hedera Hashgraph is also one of the fastest cryptocurrency in a crypto market. As you can see here, after a short dump, they will take a very huge pump. So I really like it, my friend, and I know up to upcoming time they will also give me a very good profit. Kindly, Hedera Hashgraph holder, if you want to get a profit now, do this what I tell you. I know, my friends, today will make you a millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.